Okay, here we have question number 12. Question number 12 from summer 2017, variant, paper 2, variant 1. A question about straight line graphs, gradients. We are told in this question that a line has a gradient of 5. Okay, so a line has a gradient of 5. So the gradient of the line is equal to 5. Gradient is normally given as a lowercase m symbol. M and n are 2 points on the line. So that means this gradient 5 is the gradient between those 2 points m and n. Capital M, capital N. So the gradient of the line Mn is equal to 5. Okay. Then it says m is the point x8. So they gave us the coordinates of the point with the x coordinate in terms of x, and the n coordinate of the point is k23. So we've got some unknowns here. Then it says find an expression in terms of expression for x in terms of k. So we've got to find our final answer is going to have to say x equals, like it shows in the answer space, and you're going to have a k there in there somewhere. All right, so we know the gradient of a line is given by the change in the y coordinates over the change in the x coordinates, y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. Okay, that's how we find the gradient of the line. Okay, it's the gradient of the line. That's a general formula for it. So we've got to take away the y coordinates and then take away the x coordinates and divide them. So we can say, for example, if we think of this as point 1 and this is point 2, we can say 8 minus 23 divided by x minus k is equal to 5. Okay, now what I can do here is I can cross multiply. First I've got minus 15 over x minus k is equal to 5. Now I want to make x the subject of the formula. X is in the denominator. I don't want it in the denominator, so I want to make this into a numerator. So if I multiply both sides by x minus k, okay, I'll have minus 15 equals 5 times x minus k. Okay, I don't want to have this 5 here, so I can divide both sides by 5. So I'll have, if I divide both sides by 5, I'll have minus 3 is equal to x minus k. And then I want to find x as the subject, so I'm going to add k to both sides. So I'll have minus 3 plus k is equal to x, which I can write as k minus 3. And there we have our answer. Okay, so we just simply use the fact that we know the gradient between these 2 points, we know the formula for the gradient, set up your equation basically, and then make x the subject of this formula. Okay, and there we have our answer.